Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And it's me again, Angie, the Filipina mom. And in today's video guys, I wanna show you my daily routine or daily life routine as a Filipina mom of two living in the mountain with a student also. So this morning, early in the morning at 5 to 6 a.m. guys, I am started to cook our breakfast for also for my sisters, my younger sisters also, because they need to go to school every Monday to Friday. So I need to wake up at very early in the morning, guys. This is my everyday routine. Yes, dahil na is. Come on, let's eat a breakfast. Atas ka. Eat. Ha? Oh, pag-o sahur. Let's eat. Dalan. Doon. Sawitan. Ako sawitan. Hawatan na lang ang utang ko. Yummy. Tama na. Hi, good morning. It's time to feed my piglet, guys. Hi, piggy. Where's your plate, ha? My piggy Shauna. Her name is Shauna, guys, because she's a girl. And I decided to name her as Shauna, like my son Shan. Ha, where is your plate, ha? Hindi. He's very good. He's very good and kind. This is a temporary place only for my piglet, guys, because she need a cage, but my father didn't make it yet. So this is a temporary only because I need to buy a cement and sand first before my father make a cage. So but I did not I can't buy yet. So this is a temporary only. Hi, my piggy Shauna. He's very good. And over here in the other side, there's one piglet also. That is for my father. So I will transfer the one, other one. This one, the black one, is my father piglet. This piglet is very nasty. Nasty. Enjoy eating. Let's go because I need to prepare my son because he's going to school now. Kala mo ba na?
Nagmata na siya dyan.
Kaakol.
Angkal, ang sapatos mo. Ako lang yun.
Siya, mama. O, dali na mama, dali.
Di mga asa sa mama.
Hi, baby.
Kabidyo na ang gabi.
Ay, pag-iwian. Tindog is. Oo. Baby, klaro kayo. Hindi, ang love-love yung mama. Say hi. Hi. Good mood kayo. Good mood. Papalo. Nganto ka papalo kayo. Magkatod kila kuya. Ha? Magkakataga siya pan.
Pan?
Bread.
Nanate, kun pangwan.
Araw na.
Na. Mungkong eh.
Tagibit siya kung gunigin.
Sige lang. Aguhin ang mga wipes na. Ang bag.
Mauga eh.
Nagukod.
Yay.
Tapot! Gagkos mo!
Enroll naman na siya, no?
O, giadto mo ko sa DC. Tapot, gat!